Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I have a 2014 Toyota Prius here and I'm changing the 12 volt aux battery. This is the original one. I have it taken out. I thought I'll show you guys some steps. So there is a covering piece here, this guy, that you will remove very easily, and then you will have to lift off the very top cover here. Also there's a black kind of container here that you'll have to also remove purely to basically lift up this cover. It kind of sits like this, you know. It is sitting loose, but you have to lift off the cover from the top of this in order to remove this. So you move this out of the way. All you really need is a 10mm spanner or ratchet. I'm using my electric one as well, and you will see that for what now in a second. Basically I have this bolted back on. This is where I use this guy here, or even a normal spanner will do, a 10mm, and I have that connected, and I'm going to connect my positive now. So I'm going to basically connect this, tighten this up, and then you have a bracket. Sorry for the one-handed rough video, but it is just to show you guys the steps, very quick and easy. So once it sits down, it needs to go all the way over. It is gonna look something like this. So you have to tighten the 10mm there, and there's a 10mm screw actually here that goes here, and you have to connect the vent pipe which goes to the floor, I think, outside of the car, and that's pretty much it. Put the tray back on, the plastic cover on, and lastly you will put the cover on top of the battery. So this was a very quick and dirty 2-minute tutorial how to change a 12 volt battery, and this will apply to a lot of the hybrids as well. Toyota Prius, Equas U, for Equas you have to go, which is a Prius C, under the seat, right? But hopefully this helps you. We'll see you in another video.